In this video, I would like to show you some quick search improvements that have been made inside of the Address2 CRM. Quick search is this section here once you're logged into Address2. You are able to quick search by first name, last name, company name, email address, phone number, and zip codes. However, we've recently added the ability to quick search by custom fields. Two types of custom fields are able to be quick searched. One is numeric-based custom fields, and the other is text-based custom fields. So as an example here, I have a contact, John Breed from Brehod Corporation, where he has a customer ID number or customer ID code of ABC. He also has the MLS ID number of 123. So up here in the quick search, I'm able to go in and type in the field label name. So 1 space customer ID colon, and I can or cannot leave a space. It's up to you, but I'm going to put in ABC, hit search, and it's going to take me directly back to this account card that I'm already in. The other way to search is through the numeric fields. Again, just have to remember that the field label I'm searching for is 2 space MLS ID colon, and then the number I'm looking for, 123. Search, and it's going to bring up the, again, the Brehod account here. So again, the quick search feature here at the top, you're able to click the magnifying glass to browse all, or leave it blank. Search by first name, last name, combinations of first names and last names, email addresses, company names, partials of company names, custom fields of numeric fields and text-based fields. If you have any more questions about ways to search your CRM, please contact support@address2.com. And thanks for watching.